Have you ever noticed that uniquely expressive, soulful quality in blues music, a sound that just tugs at your heartstrings? That distinctive character in blues music, and its profound emotional depth, comes largely from the use of what we call the blue note. These specific pitches add a raw, human feel, making the music deeply resonant and expressive. A blue note isn't just a regular note on the scale. Imagine a standard musical scale. The blue notes are typically the flatted third, flatted fifth, and flatted seventh degrees of that scale. What makes them so special is that they are often played or sung slightly out of tune, intentionally bending between the major and minor intervals. This microtonal bending creates a deliberate tension and releases a feeling of yearning or melancholy that is central to the blues emotion. It is a direct connection to African musical traditions, where pitch inflection and vocal ornamentation are key to emotional expression. Blues musicians masterfully integrate blue notes into their playing and singing. Guitarists often bend a string to reach that signature in between pitch. Pianists might slide their fingers or play both a major and minor third at the same time to create that distinct tension. Vocalists frequently use scoops, slurs, and inflections to land on these emotionally charged notes, embodying the heartfelt storytelling of the blues. You can learn to identify them by listening for notes that sound slightly flattened or stretched, creating a feeling of bluesy push and pull. This subtle manipulation of pitch gives the blues its characteristic grit and profound emotional vocabulary. It allows musicians to convey a wide spectrum of feelings, from sorrow and struggle to hope and resilience, all within a single phrase. This concept of microtonal nuance is what sets blues music apart, giving it a unique vocal quality, even in instrumental solos, and significantly influencing the sound of early jazz. Ultimately, the blue note is more than just a musical interval. It is the very heart of the blues sound, providing that distinctive expressive element that allows artists to communicate deep emotion directly to your soul. Understanding this fundamental building block helps us appreciate the rich, complex tapestry of blues music and its enduring legacy.